In this video, let us look at how to add and subtract matrices. So two matrices can be added or subtracted only if they have the same order. So for addition or subtraction, the basic condition is that both matrices have to have the same order. For example, if the matrix A is 2 1 3 2 1 5, this is a 3 by 2 matrix, right? And if you have the matrix B as 1 4 3 5 1 2, this is also a 3 by 2 matrix. So if you have two matrices of the same order, then I can add the matrices or I can subtract the matrices. And the definition of addition is that you have to add the corresponding elements to the corresponding elements in the two matrices. And subtraction also has the same logic. You have to subtract the corresponding element in A and the corresponding element in B. So what is A plus B? A plus B is also a 3 by 2 matrix. A plus B is also a 3 by 2 matrix where each element is the sum of the corresponding elements of these two matrices. It is 2 plus 1, you have 3 here. 1 plus 4, you have 5 here. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus 5 7. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So this is the matrix A plus B, as simple as this. And what is the matrix A minus B? This is also a 3 by 2 matrix. And you need to subtract one from the other. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 2 is plus 3. So this is the matrix A plus B. This is the matrix A minus B. So what is the mathematical definition of addition? So if you have a matrix A plus B, the ijth element of the matrix A plus B is nothing but the sum of ijth element of A and ijth element of B. So the ijth element, that is, if you want the 2 1 element correspond to A plus B, you have to add A to 1 and B to 1. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So the ijth element of A plus B is ijth element of A plus ijth element of B. Similarly, the ijth element of A minus B is Aij minus Bij. So these are the mathematical definitions of the sum of matrices and the difference of matrices. Thank you.